the JVC HA-XC50T. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the HA-XC50T True Wireless Earbuds by JVC. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide, micro USB cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The earbud features 4 hours of listening time, 14 hours with the case. It has quick charge, so 15 minutes will give you 1 hour. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, AAC, SBC codec, button controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IP55 dust and water resistant. The case is a bit on the larger side. It has a matte finish all around with a red accenting in the middle. The top has the Extreme Explosive logo, and on the front you'll find the JVC branding along with the status LED lights. On the back you have the micro USB charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes easily. The earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. You can see the ear markings etched in inside. The earbuds are also a bit on the larger side. It has a matte finish all around just like the case, and the ear indicators are on the inside face. On the outer face you have the branding along with the red accenting around the button control. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, microphone, LED, and button control. Here they are side by side. Button controls are straightforward, a few taps to get the desired function. The case comes in at 2.6 by 1.7 by 1.5 inches. It weighs in at 51 grams and the earbuds come in at 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passionate life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, get over this surface. Now I just can't get. Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Yeah. Wild check, cash roll, yeah, I need my ass.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the JVC microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in a bit low for my liking during calls. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. I found the fit to be decent. They seated well in my ears and they felt secure. You will feel some pressure in the ear canals after an extended period of time. The button controls don't add too much pressure when navigating. Build-in quality is good. The case is a bit on the larger side, but it feels durable. Earbuds are also larger and will protrude out a bit. I like the accenting and it gives it a sporty, rugged look. The button controls responded well when navigating. Battery life is a bit underwhelming, coming in at 4 hours and 14 total with the case. I would have liked to seen USB-C instead of micro and wireless charging. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it definitely has its presence. It's not overwhelming bass, but just the right amount. It sounds tight, punchy, and accurate. Mids and highs have good separation and they sound clear. Definitely gives it an energetic sounding experience. Overall, the earbuds sounded good. I do feel it missed out on a few points as I mentioned, and this does come in at a competitive price point. So that is my review of the JVC HA-XC50T True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.